Hi, I'm V and this is the Ratcheting Raven. So I'm sitting here in my new daily, which I just got about a week ago. It's a 2014 370z. After I'd had it for a couple days, I noticed that the key light come on. Now I've done a little bit of research, and since it's a 2014, theoretically, the steering lock issue should not be a problem. However, around that same time, I noticed that my cruise control also stopped working, which I found to be a little bit strange. So I went to digging around and I noticed that one of the clutch switches was completely out of place. So we're gonna fix that. This switch right here actually goes through right here. That was how it was hanging when I found it. So it has to set at a certain distance with two bolts, one at this side, one at this side, to hold it in place. It did not have this one, and then this one came unscrewed, and that is the one right here that I found by my foot. So I'm just securing it back in place. It'll take a little bit of fiddling because it has to set at a certain distance. So when the clutch pedal is disengaged, it rests there and activates the cruise control. And it also fixes my key light. So I got this little nut at Home Depot, and then the bolt and nut bin. It fits on here. Is it the correct one? No, but you know what? It works. So I'm gonna put that on and run it up pretty high. That way I can adjust it. Okay, next is the bit of the tricky part. So this has to go through here, right? But I have to keep the clutch pedal pressed while I screw this one on the other side. Clutch pedal is quite stiff. Press it in. There, where my nail is, right there. I've got both of those screwed on. So the key light's not there anymore. Obviously, I can't really test the cruise control right now, but I'll do that the next time I drive the car. And hopefully that will have fixed my comprehensive problem with one solution. We'll see.